In Edmonton, it's not uncommon for winter weather to make our streets and sidewalks icy and dangerous. We use things like sand and gravel, salts, and other ice melt products to make our communities safer for walking or driving. When ice and snow melts, runoff eventually makes its way to a catch basin, then, depending on your neighborhood, into one of more than 200 stormwater ponds around Edmonton. Let's do an experiment to show how these ice melt products work. Then, we'll explain how it can impact the ice that forms on stormwater ponds and why that makes these ponds unsafe for any sort of winter activity. Here's what you'll need: 2 blocks of ice, sidewalk salt, table salt could work too, and food coloring. Let's get started. Step 1. Place your 2 blocks of ice side by side on a table. One will be used in the experiment, while another will be used as a control, so you can see the difference. Step 2. Sprinkle salt or sidewalk salt onto your experiment block of ice. Step 3. Add a few drops of food coloring to both the control and the experiment ice. This will help to see the impact of the salt. Step 4. Observe the results. What do you notice after 5 minutes? How about 10 minutes? You can see that the ice is deteriorating much more quickly where sidewalk salt was applied. Here's what's happening on a molecular level. Salt ions are attracted to water molecules and prevent those molecules from bonding together in their rigid structure, which we see as ice. Essentially, salts lower the freezing point of water, which we know is 0, but it can be as low as -30 if you add enough salt. This concept is called freezing point depression. This experiment demonstrates one of the reasons why ice on stormwater ponds is unpredictable and dangerous. Stormwater ponds collect melting snow and ice from streets and sidewalks, which often include these sidewalk salts that can thin the ice from beneath the surface. This runoff constantly moves in and out of the pond, impacting water levels and making the ice unsafe for any recreation, even walking. Remember, think twice, stay off the ice at stormwater ponds this winter.